In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can change any video background without having any green screen, and we are going to use 5 such online AI tools. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Make sure you stick to me till the end. For now, let's begin with the tutorial. Software number 5, Vbg Remover. The link will be given in the description. So please go to this online software and sign up for free with your Gmail or email account. Once you log in, go to this remove background now option and upload your video. Okay, now it is processing the entire video. Let us wait for the processing to get completed. Now, meanwhile, you can see here there are different solid colored background, or even you can go to image in order to get some image background. And otherwise, you can also upload your own background. Now, let us get some new background. Let's suppose this. If you want to upload any image, let's suppose I want to upload. Okay. Oh, wow, it's amazing. So this is how you can upload your own image, or else you can give a solid color, green, black. If you want a more color, you can get it here. Otherwise, you can also select one image from here. Yeah. So it's pretty amazing. I really like this outcome. Do let me know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. You can go to this download button. So here there are two options. Either you can get 10 seconds preview or till 5 minutes you can download. My video is only 11 seconds, so I can go for full video download and I can download it from here. So let us move forward to the next software. Software number 4, CutoutDoPro. It is also online software. Go and log in with your Gmail or email account. Click on remove background and then upload the same video. Okay, and it is showing, it is processing the video. So let us wait for a while. Okay, so this is the outcome. You can upload again same way. You can change the background color, solid color you can give. You can upload your own background. So let me upload this time this one. And then I can download the preview. Now let's move forward to the next software. Software number 3, unseen.com. You'll be getting the same software link in the description. So just sign up. Okay, you'll have to check these boxes and sign up. Okay, so there are 3 options. So I'll go for video background remover. I will upload the same clip. It will automatically remove the background. So it is a nice software. Once it is done, then you can go for change background. You can go for video background like this. I would like to go for this one. So once it is done, you can go for image also. You can go for color also, solid color or video. Okay, I want to go for this one. Now I can simply go for download option and it will download the entire clip. So let us move forward to the next software. Software number 2, BGRemm. Okay, this is another online software. I'll go to sign up for free account. Okay, you have 4 credits and then continue. It is removing. So it is again to check the quality. You can go for a 4-second clip of yours or any stock video you can use to check the quality. Once you're satisfied, you can go for their paid subscriptions. So I am using a free one only. I have streamed my video till 4 seconds. I would like to stick to this. You can even take transparent background. You can give your background. You have image backgrounds here. You can even select image background. That will cost you 1 credit. You have different video backgrounds as I have shown you here. I'm going for this background only. Then you can go to continue. And then you can check if you want to give some filter. Nice filters are there. You can give a filter here from here. You can add some stickers. You have text option also, and you can even add music. Okay, so all these things are there. Then you can further go to continue. And then there are two options. You can go for optimal, but for high you will have to take a subscription. Okay, then I'll go to optimal and I will download it. My number one software is always my favorite, Canva. So let us move forward. I have given Canva Pro free 30 days free trial link in the description. Go ahead and use it, guys. Canva is unbeatable. This is the dashboard after logging in. We will straight away go to this video option. Okay, now we will be going to upload option and straight away upload our video. Once the video is uploaded, go to this top left hand side edit video option and remove the background. It will take a little while, but you will see how seamlessly it will remove the background. Okay, and then further you don't have to go out of this. You can take any video from here. Has to be your background. Yeah. Okay, so you can again you can duplicate by going to this three dots, duplicate the page. Here you just remove the background and take a new one. Let's suppose this Savannah. Save the video. Now you see it has nicely changed it. Okay, so you can change anything. You can add any text from here. You can add any text. You can upload your own audio, your video, own images. You can get so many elements from here if you want to use any sticker or anything. Limitless. Okay, you have different text effects. You can add a text box also. Okay, you can position it to back so that you can, it is like it goes at the back. Okay, see, this is at the back. It will remain at the back. I can go for this effects. I can give it a neon effect, and then if I show you, so once you are satisfied, don't download from here. Go to the share option, go to download option, MP4, and here all the pages should be selected. Or if you want to download a specific page, then just select that page and go and done and download. These were the 5 best online softwares as far as background removal is concerned. But if you take my personal opinion, Canva is the best and cheapest and economical. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.